Check accelerator voltage with a multimeter. Unplug brake connector from controller. Set the dial to 200 volt. Check the voltage between red and black wires. Standard voltage is 5 volt. If voltage cannot be detected, then the problem is not on accelerator, it may be with the monitor. Check the voltage between gray and black wires. When accelerator is in neutral position, the voltage should be 2.5 volt. When it is pushed forward, voltage should reduce to 0.5 volt. When it is pushed backward, voltage should increase to 4.5 volt. If the measurements differ from these three values, then accelerator is faulty.